Hi JJ Squad! If you're new to this channel, subscribe and give it a like. Today, I'm going to be showing you all my slimes that I made. So, I'm just going to start with this little one. This is like, look at it.
I actually really big.
It's like really like.
But don't tell no one your name.
Boom, 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 boom.
Look at that.
Oh, well, I got shaving cream. Do I got shaving cream, guys? Okay, so this is slime number 1. It's like really like weird. Okay, this is slime number 2. I actually have 2 of these slimes. So I have 2 of these. Look. Look at this. I have 2 of these kind of slimes. This is really jiggly.
I need to find those.
Can I add shaving cream to this one?
Yeah, okay.
Wait, no.
It's very hard, by the way.
So that one's really squishy. So you'll see this one.
Oh, by the way, go watch my video. My YouTube channel is called Ash. Your battery's at 20%.
Oh, I'll charge it. Oh,
Ashley Gonzalez.
it's Ashley Gonzalez.
Ashley is capitalized, but just the A and then space. G is capitalized, and then the rest is.
So slime number 2.
22.
The title is November the 22. And this one, I just really not liking it. So
Well, don't.
I am not going to
So
even
you
do
can play
that.
on it.
I'm not going to show it. So I'm going to be adding shaving cream to Play-Doh.
Yeah, and during she's doing her video, we have to get the snacks ready.
Here.
So
I'm
you're not gonna sleep on the floor with us?
No, I'm sitting on my bed.
So you're not gonna have us sleep? Oh, okay. Oh yeah.
Yeah, well, look, we got some gun. I just said open these.
Yeah.
That's it. There's no more.
How about you play timer inside the phone? And then we feel good. Like, we feel quiet.
What the heck?
Do you have like a mixing thing?
No, you have to use your hands.
Yeah.
Can you do it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's mixing like, I don't like touching like
I know
nasty
me too.
stuff. It just feels weird and then my hands get like,
Ew,
ugh.
look.
She's touching it right now.
I need
It
a.
doesn't look good.
Yeah.
So while she's doing that, I got a lot of slimes, which this one has a piece of hair in it. This is not Play-Doh, guys. This is slime. It's just really crunchy. Oh, here.
By the way, I'm pretty sure these slimes are from the doll store.
What slime? This is actually Play-Doh.
Play timer, and then in the middle of the night we wake up.
So in the middle of the night, we are.
Wait, look,
I'm a deep
sleep.
sleeper. I'm a deep sleeper. So one of you guys are gonna have to wake me up.
I will.
Don't slap me.
I'm like, boom.
No, we might have to.
But I'm gonna do the
Just
video
shake
first.
me and shake me and shake me.
We'll be like this.
Yeah, because my ones are like, whoa. And I have that red one, and now I have this blue. Ew, what
We
the?
think want to keep the food.
And if that one comes out good, I might.
Aren't you going here? Oh, nobody come to the last and nobody sleep in it. Ow.
Oh, are you okay?
Oh, God.
So comment down below which one was your favorite.
And then there.
We can put the food in here.
So this is what happens.
Here. I need to go wash my hands now because there's Play-Doh inside my fingernail.
Here, I'm going to keep all of the food over here in my side. Okay?
Okay. Are you gonna pass us the snacks?
Look, see? Look, come here, Justin. Look, see? I have everything right here. Even my iPad.
So I'm adding. Ah! I'm gonna try to like mess with this stuff because this just feels nasty.
I'm going to go to the bathroom.
Ah!
Jazzy, you better pick that up. Do it on top of here.
No! I don't want to dirty my camera.
Move it back here. No, I already did it and I just washed my hands.
Nasty, Jen.
Well, I'm trying to do the bed now. You like a shaving cream on the carpet? I'm really good.
I'm sleeping next to Gino.
What?
I'm sleeping next to Gino.
Okay, I'm gonna sleep on this side.
No, I said you're going to right here. I can imagine Matt in it. Oh, you see me right here, then?
Yeah, like right there.
Okay, wait next to me.
Well, I was gonna to sleep there because of my iPad.
Yeah, but because
I need to charge my phone too.
You better stop like recording and then charge it for now.
Can you turn off the video?
Huh?
Can you turn off my video?
Yeah.
Bye.
Make
Love
sure
you.
subscribe.
Make sure you subscribe too. Man.
Daddy, I'm not going to be right here. Okay?
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Daddy,